Good evening everyone again, welcome back to the God's Glory Chronicles news, and here's our news headlines for tonight in our continuous coverage at the Bibenke and Seventh-day Adventist Harvest 2025 Evangelistic Crusade. The Harvest 2025 Evangelistic Crusade, currently underway at the Bibenke and Seventh-day Adventist Church, is drawing in large crowds eager to hear the message of hope and salvation. At the heart of the crusade's message is the emphasis on Sabbath observance, as preached by Korean National Pastor Kwon Jung-hae, who is leading the event.
Sapagat pupunta pa tayo sa Manila para maaaring hindi tayo maging masaya.
So therefore, I have to come to the Philippines.
Para makuha natin ang pagpapala dahil papunta pa roon.
Then God put the blessing in song.
Kaya ang Panginoon ay nagbigay ng pagpapala.
Will you be happy?
Kayo ba ay masaya?
Why not? How can you say no? He's from Korea.
So kaya si Elder ay nagreklamo.
And if God gives me a blessing in Sorong City,
Kung ang Panginoon ay magbibigay ng pagpapala dito sa Sorong City.
no one likes that.
Gusto niyo ba ito?
No one decide you don't want the blessing in Sorong
Maaaring
City.
itong Panginoon dito ayaw siguro nila. Kung ang pagpapala ay ibibigay dito sa Sorong.
Then I say,
Diba? Sino nagsasabing
it is not fair.
maaaring hindi ito panas.
If God put blessing easy,
Kung ang pala ng Diyos ay hindi pagpasyo,
it is not fair.
hindi ito patas.
But our God is very much wise God.
Sabayan ng ating Panginoon talaga ay napakatalino.
And therefore, God did not put the blessing in a space.
At kanyang pinagkaloob ang parang ito sa amin.
Then, I will turn over my Bible to Genesis chapter 2, verse 1.
At ating buksan ang Biblia sa Genesis chapter 2, verse 1.
Which reads that, then the heavens and the earth and all the hosts of them were finished.
At natapos ng Panginoon na lalangin ang lahat ng bagay sa sanlibutan.
And on the seventh day, God ended His work.
At ngayong kapitong araw, ang Panginoon ay natapos ang kanyang
And
gawain.
He rested on the seventh day.
At siya nagpahinga sa kapitong araw.
And then verse 3.
At sa verse 3,
Then God blessed the seventh day.
at kanyang pinagpala ang araw
And sanctified it.
kapitong araw at kanyang pinakabanan.
God blessed what?
Ano ang pinagpala ng Diyos? The seventh day.
Oh, God blessed the seventh day.
Opo, pinagpala ng Panginoon ang kapitong araw.
And God did not put the blessing in any space in this world.
At ang pagpapala ito ay sa lahat ng bahagi.
And He said, God put the blessing on time.
At ang pagpapala nito ng Panginoon ay
And there are 7 days.
sa loob ng isang linggo.
In which day God put the blessing.
Bawat araw ay mayroong pagpapala.